ChuChu TV!
Hi there, my friends.
Hey there, Mr. Harlow! What are we gonna learn today, Mr. Harlow?
It is a surprise.
We can't wait!
Okay, let's cast our magic spell.
ChuChu! Surprise! Wow!
Now let's have a little fun with these balloons. Let's count them.
Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow!
So, my friends, wasn't that a fun way to learn numbers?
You bet, Mr. Harlow! Learning numbers is so much fun!
I am so happy to hear that. It's time to go home. Until we meet again, goodbye, my friends.
Thank you! And goodbye, Mr. Harlow!